Smart homes are supposed to make life easier. So why does my robot vacuum sometimes make it worse? This is what happens when you schedule cleaning in a real house. And today I'm gonna show you a better way. In theory, scheduling sounds smart. At 10, the robot cleans, every day, automatically. But in real life, at 10 there are Legos on the floor, chairs moved, something on the floor in the hallway, someone still in the room, and instead of cleaning, the robot just suffers. And here's the bigger problem. If the only way to start cleaning is through an app, then cleaning depends on one person who uses the app. In my house, that's me. To be honest, I've been using Roborock for a few years now. It does a great job. But I never really automated it. When I wanted to clean, I opened the app, pick up the Lego, prepared the floor, and just started cleaning from the app. It works, but it makes the whole process dependent on me. Even though home automation became my main hobby for years, and I automated almost everything in my house, somehow I never touched the Roborock. I do have the Roborock integration into Home Assistant, but I never used it. So today I want to make this process easier for everyone in the house. What you need is a Roborock or any smart vacuum that can be integrated into Home Assistant. And in my case I'm using a 4-button Zigbee remote from Noose, but you can use any buttons or remotes you have in Home Assistant. The plan is simple. Each button will start a room cleaning cycle. Roborock is very easy to integrate into Home Assistant. Just add the Roborock integration, log in with your account, and that's it. I won't go to the full setup process because it's straightforward. You install the app, create an account, connect it to Wi-Fi by scanning the QR code on the vacuum, and follow the steps. Before we jump into Home Assistant, let me show you how I set up my map and rooms because this is important. As you can see, I have a big open space that includes living room, dining area, hallway, and the kitchen. And then a separate room and a bathroom. Because my Roborock isn't brand new, I have some battery concerns. So what I usually do is, first run vacuum only, second run vacuum plus mop. And I also separate the large open space into multiple rooms. This gives me more control. To make rooms appear as entities in Home Assistant, we need to create something inside the Roborock app. On the main page, you have something called like Favorite Tasks. These are routines that you create, and they become available in Home Assistant. So what you want to do, press Add Favorite Task, then choose Room Cleaning. Then select the room, let's say Kitchen. Set suction power, set water flow, set the cleaning count, save it and give it a name. That name will appear in Home Assistant. Now we go to Home Assistant. We go to Settings, then Automations and Scenes, and create a new automation. For the trigger, I'll use the Noose 4-button remote, and I'll use the button 1 single press. Then the action, start Roborock Favorite Task for the hallway. Save the automation, and that is it. It's this easy, so let's test it now. Then you repeat the same process for the other buttons. If you have more than 4 rooms, you can use double press. That gives you up to 8 room triggers using one remote, and you don't have to use Noose. Any Zigbee button that integrates with Home Assistant will work. This is much easier for anyone in the house. Scheduling sounds smart until you live in a real house with kids. Scheduling assumes the floor is empty, nobody moved the chairs, there are no toys, and nobody is in the room, but in real life it's different. The only time a robot vacuum can clean properly is right after someone prepared the room. And that moment is perfect for a button. This is what a smart home should actually be. Not more apps, not more complexity, not more scheduling, just simple controls that work for everyone in the house. Smart homes are not about automating everything. They're about triggering things at the right moment. And sometimes that moment is just a button. Now I'm curious, do you use scheduling with your robot vacuum or would you rather press a button? Comment below, scheduling or button. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you make your home smarter and simpler. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.